How to check your notifications on another device, Facebook two-factor authentication. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that two-factor authentication is toggled on and you have entered the right phone number. If you didn't receive the code via text, open the Authenticator app you used when setting up two-factor authentication. So in order to do that, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be navigated to the menu section. From there, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings. Now once inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the account center at the top of the screen. You can see. Simply tap on the account center. After that, tap on the password and security option available there. From there, tap on the two-factor authentication. Now, after you tap on the two-factor authentication, continue with your profile from there. Now here you can see you receive your code via WhatsApp. So it means that if you receive your code, then you have entered the correct phone number on your Facebook two-factor authentication. And if you have not, then simply change your phone number. After you have added your code via WhatsApp, then you will be navigated to this page. Continue with SMS option available there. And if you want to add a new number, then you can add your new phone number available, or you can simply continue with the phone number you have associated on Facebook, and a confirmation code will be sent again. Simply enter your confirmation code and your phone number will be activated as a source of two-factor authentication, and now you will receive all the notifications. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.